Keeping it with earnings, Titan and Britannia are set to report their third quarter results later today. Mangalam is here with what we can expect from both those companies. Mangalam?
Well, if you look at Titan, the stock is already at a record high, doing extremely well. It's a very good set that is expected because the street is prepared by the company's third quarter update as well. And remember, the third quarter had all the entire festive season and the big rally that we saw in gold and silver prices as well, more gold than silver. So what do we know? That the company's reported 38% jump in their domestic sales growth, 41% growth in their domestic jewelry business as well. So what is the street working with? They've plugged those numbers in. A 40% jump in their overall reported revenue, 22,500 crores, and EBITDA jump of 51%. Remember, the EBITDA jump ahead of revenues would mean that there would be margin expansion, and that would be led by a couple of factors. One, higher studded ratio. The second part would also be that, the company would have some element of inventory gains coming in, even though they've completely hedged their gold. And the third part would obviously be on a low base because same time last year there was a decline in their margins because of an unexpected inventory loss on account of the reduction in customs duty that happened in the previous budget. Net profit, 50% jump. You're looking at a number closer to 1,500 crores. All the other segmental data is what we have already. So to that extent, management commentary going forward and on demand in particular at such precious metal prices would be extremely crucial to track. And for Britannia as well, it's a very good quarter that the street is working with. Why is that? Because remember, in the second quarter, there was disruption on account of trade channels being, looking to reduce their inventory as GST for nearly their entire portfolio came down from 18% to about 5%. So that restocking would be something that would help their business by about 200 to 300 basis points. And add to that, good demand coming in as well would, do well for them. The big change that took place between last quarter and now for Britannia is that on December 15th, we had a new MD for the company, Rakshit Hargave from Birla Opus has joined the company as the leader. So what is the street working with? 8% revenue growth, which will be closer to 5,000 crores on the top line. EBITDA jumps 15% on, increased premiumization, the price hikes that the company has taken, and also slightly benign raw material prices and the company's own cost-cutting program. And the net profit grows around 16.5%. You're looking at a number closer to 700 crores. EBITDA would be, margins would be just shy of that 20% mark. But more importantly, the entire revenue growth would be led by domestic volume growth of anywhere between 7 to 8%. And out here as well, management commentary on the strategy of the new leader along with the demand environment would be crucial to track.
All right, so a strong quarter expected there from both Titan and Britannia, and we'll have to wait and watch what happens on that front. Thank you so much for those details, Mangalam.